Oh, look at that. Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook macaroni. I have one packet of 500 grams of macaroni. I'll be using only about half or 2/3 of it. Tomato puree, olive oil, 200 grams of minced chicken, and 200 grams of minced pork. Today I'll be using mixture of minced pork and minced chicken for a better flavor. 1 cup of cut carrot, 1 cup of button mushroom, 1 cup of green beans, 1 yellow onion chopped, 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, 4 to 5 pieces of bay leaf, 70 grams of butter. Heat the pan to medium to high heat. Put in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Oil getting slightly hot, I'm putting in garlic. After the garlic slightly soft and release a nice fragrance, we are pouring in the minced pork and also minced chicken. Pour in pepper, half of the salt, put in the butter. I cut butter into 2 blocks, so another block I'm going to boil it together with the macaroni. When melt the butter while cooking the meat, it gives out a very nice fragrance. When minced chicken and minced pork change color, so I'm putting in the carrot, mushroom, onions, bay leaf. Give it a stir. Put in about 4 tablespoons of tomato puree. 2, 3, 4. Give it a mix. I'm adding in 2 more tablespoons of tomato puree. So we are using 6 tablespoons of it. So I'm going to cover the lid, let it simmer for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, let's check on it. See, the minced meat and the vegetable, the carrots and mushrooms are already cooked. So I'm adding in green peas. Green peas must put last because it is quite soft. After stir in the green peas, I'm going to give it a taste. Wow, it's very fragrant and very tasty. At this stage, you want to add more seasoning, you can do so. But for this one, it's ready. So I'm going to switch off the heat and keep the sauce here while we cooking the macaroni. So I have a packet of 500 grams here. I'm going to take just 2/3 of it. Just estimate the amount of it. This is for 4 to 5 serving. I have prepared the boiling water here. We put in the elbow macaroni in. Give it a stir. So I'm going to boil it for about 13 minutes. After 13 minutes, we need to check whether the elbow macaroni is ready. We just need to check it. It is perfect texture. So I'm going to switch off the heat. Now I'm going to take it out from the pot to drain out the water. Just give it a stir because hot water tend to get stuck inside, so we just give it a stir. I still have one block of the butter while the macaroni is still hot, so we put it in. We're gonna melt the butter in this, give it a nice fragrance and delicious taste. Alright, it is ready. Now we can go and mix it with the sauce. Switch on the heat, put it into medium and high heat. When the sauce is getting hot, we are pouring in the elbow macaroni and give it a mix. Oh, look at that. Mix it well over the heat for about 1 or 2 minutes. Alright, it is ready. Now you can give it a taste. It is so delicious. I'm so happy. At this stage, if you want to add more seasoning, you can do so, but this is perfectly delicious. So I'm going to switch off the heat. For this dish, it's best to eat it with chili flake. So I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of chili flake and Parmesan cheese. But I'm not a cheese person, so I will not be putting it. My children will love it. It's delicious. The macaroni is tasty. It's cooked just perfectly. It's not too soft and it's not too hard. The mincemeat is delicious. Vegetable is crunchy. And it has a very nice fragrance of butter, bay leaf, and with a little hint of spiciness from the chili flake. It's really make this dish so perfect. Very delicious. If you have tried the recipe, do share the outcome in the comment below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my simple home cooked dishes like this. Thank you and bye bye.